Okay, so every single news outlet I've heard over the past year talking about real estate, it's total doomsday. So, what does the real estate market in terms of data and statistics look like in Western North Carolina? That's what we're going to go over in this monthly market report. Howdy, friends. Tyson Bowman, Rockstar Life Realty, your one and only source that is life built upon the rock. So, let's get into it. Pop off. All right, so this is one thing that the media does have correct. Sales are down, and just down from last month. They are 62% under. From last year, they're down 63%. So, yeah, that's real. That is what it is. So let's go to median sale price. Now check this out. It's up 5% just from last month. From last year, up 14%. So check it out. Sellers, if you got the right property, if you have that gem that has massive curb appeal, and a lot of it has to do with how it's marketed. If you market that right, make it really pop in advertising, yeah, check it out. It can really do well, up 14% from last year. That's a big deal. Median list price, up 6% just from last month, up 16% from last year. Sale to list price ratio holding steady at 96%. Down 2% from last year. In the summer, spring and summer, we popped up to the highest it got was 102%, and that was June 2022. A lot of people I was talking to, a lot of sellers at that time, thought it was never going to end. Well, it's ended, and no telling when it's going to return, although it will at some point. We know that the real estate market does go up and down. So hang on for the ride. I know I am. So sales volume down 61%. No surprise there. In the past year, it's down 59%. Median days on market. Now, sellers, take a listen here. Up 7 days just from last month, up 10 days from last year. So if you're gonna, sell that property, expect to have a normal sales cycle, which is typically 3 to 6 months. So something to keep in mind. And homes sold year to date, just in the past year, down 63%. No surprise there. So hopefully I can get my little cursor to work here. Yay, it's working. So average sale to list price ratio, this is what I was talking about. We're at 96% at the moment. June 2022, we were at 102%. Look, I mean, that was just phenomenal. Starting in March, we popped over 100 and rode it out all the way until June, and then July dropped back down, and we've been on a downward trend with it for some time. So, it's good to keep an eye on what's happening as far as interest rates go. But here's something that nobody's talking about in regards to buyers. If you are a buyer, now might be a good time to really scope around and really potentially find that gem that maybe has been on and off market. Maybe it's been under contract and back on market. Maybe it's had some price reductions. Those are some things you want to look at, and you might want to take a closer look at that property to see if it could be a fit for you, because you may be able to submit an offer that's lower than the asking price, and you just may get it. So definitely use a good real estate agent to help you out with that. Here is the last thing I do want to go over, and this is for sellers. Estimated median home value. It's only down 1.69% over the past 3 months. So values are holding very, very strong. So definitely no doomsday here. If you want to know the value of your property, please, I will post a link below. You don't have to contact me. You can do it on your own. And it's just, you can get a quick valuation. It's under the newsletter, and a link will be in the description of the YouTube video. So be sure to check that out. And again, if you're a buyer, make sure to have that proof of funds letter ready, or your pre-qual ready, and that is in regards to real estate financing. If you don't know how to navigate that process, make sure to get with my friends at Thrive Mortgage, Patty Mendiola and Alex Rayfield, and they will get you hooked up ASAP. Contact me to figure out how to get in touch with them, and I will connect y'all pronto. So that's all I have for now. Anything you need, you know where to find me. Feel free to email me, call me, even text me. So I'm here for you. Peace and victory, and we'll talk to you soon.